on every detail, and there's a reason why. It makes all the rest of the steps much easier to clean and guarantee the best results. If your car doesn't get detailed frequently, or you live in a desert environment like my clients, then you know how quickly dust, sand, and just overall dirt get into your interior and get stuck in just about every crack and crevice. With this tool, I can blow the dust and dirt out of these areas more effectively and then follow up with a vacuum to get it all up. There are so many more uses for this tool. If you use it, what's your favorite use? Let's help anyone who hasn't used one or is on the fence about purchasing one see the value in this one.